No one knows Cummins engines like the experts who built them. Which is why no one can deliver total engine life management like Cummins can. Krakow, our newest master rebuild center, the first of its kind in Europe. A $10 million facility housing an advanced 4,600 square meter controlled environment, dedicated to remanufacturing high horsepower Cummins engines to as-new performance. How? A comprehensive 6-stage rebuild process using state-of-the-art manufacturing technology, focused on sustainability and unique Cummins engineering expertise. Stage 1, disassembly. The engine is jet washed and the wastewater recycled. A total engine disassembly allows us to precisely assess its condition. Stage 2, cleaning. Every reusable component is individually deep cleaned using a state-of-the-art thermal cleaning and blast system. Stage 3, inspection. Detailed inspections make sure every reusable component is used. Extreme cleanliness is achieved by a millipore contamination identification process. Stage 4, measurement. The tolerances of every component are precisely measured. Every sub-specification part is replaced exclusively with genuine Cummins parts. Stage 5, reassembly. 150 quality checks guarantee every remanufactured engine meets our highest standards. Stage 6, testing. A state-of-the-art engine dynamometer puts engines through more than 20 validation parameters, with test patterns optimized to use less fuel and avoid water wastage. Finally, engines are painted to the customer's specification. Every engine remanufactured at Krakow goes through the same quality control processes our new engines do. Yet engine remanufacturing uses 85% less energy. As new performance, Cummins quality, reliability and durability. Lower total cost of ownership. Greater sustainability. A warranty you can believe in. This is more than a rebuild. This is total engine life management from Cummins.